All right, guys, so we had some weakness in the market today. There's the daily on the SPY. If you look at it on 5 minutes, I mean, just straight down. Again, proud of the group for finding the stuff that stood out. I only took a few trades today, and I'll cover those real quick, and then I'll go into what we're watching for tomorrow. First, let me put up this thing, and that's just for new faces in the chat. So if you're a new face in the chat, pause the video and read that. I'm going to go on with the video here. POET, saw the volume, saw the daily trying to break out, and I made 2 calls in it. One was after it broke 750 and pulled back. I said back through 750, which happened right there, and it went pretty quickly to 813. Nice trade. And then my other entry was literally right here at 748. I called the 5s buy zone pullback, kind of retesting the breakout area, and then you see what it did from there. So that's 2 calls I made in that. I made 2 trades in that, and then my only other trade all day was BTQ, and this is embarrassing. I took it like right there. I saw the Eric Jackson tweet. I thought the high of days closed. I took it through the half. I called it through the half, and stop was right there. So lost a little bit on it, and then I had to watch it do that without me, which is, again, I've said I've never ended a trading day without feeling like an idiot, even when I have nice gains on the day. So that was mine today. Let me go into what we're watching for tomorrow. Poet obviously goes back on watch. Nice breakout today on big volume. DPRO. We did get the bounce we were looking for today, and it closed pretty strong in a weak tape, so we're going to watch that one. YCBD had this big rip on the CDB tweet by Trump, and then sideways, and now it's curling up, so that's interesting. Open. I don't generally have this one on watch, but I like the pop yesterday, and then the inside day today. Could be a 3rd day play tomorrow, so that one goes on watch. TMC, extremely strong. Nice breakout today. BTQ, already talked about this one. Actually popped a little more in after hours, but as I'm talking to you, it's pretty flat. Certainly, it's only been uplisted for about a week and a half, but that is getting some traction. Biggest volume day it's had since the uplist, so we got to watch that one pretty much every day for the next week or so. CCCX, Citron tweet, and it's been running ever since. We're going to watch that one. It's extended, of course, but I'm a day trader. I'll keep it on watch. SOPA. I don't love the gap down today, but I do like the fact that it popped right after the gap down and the big rip yesterday. So that one goes on watch. ACB, another pot stock, trying to break above recent highs, but closed below them. Certainly worth keeping an eye on. BENF penny stock. We got 3 days in a row down into the 8-day now. It also bounced from this area on this day right here. So it goes back on bounce watch. No trades in it today, even though it was on bounce watch. PLUG, crazy strong, and now we got a couple red days in a row. Could turn back up tomorrow. LAC, it's kind of the same thing. Crazy strong, could turn back up tomorrow after a couple red days. ANRO, nice 2-day pullback on much lower volume after the big rip. And then ATON, I'm going to throw on watch because as I'm talking to you, it's trading at 1327 in after hours. So if that's still gapping in the morning, we'll watch that. Anyway, that's it for me. I'll see you in the morning in the pre-market, and we'll add some gappers to this list. Have a great night.